Hey there and welcome back to this new course, and we are starting off just from where we left the last time. The last time we did kick, bass, snare, etc. Let me quickly check, yeah, we are recording. And now we're going to continue the process. We also arranged our project in groups and named everything appropriately as far as I can tell. And this is how it sounds right now. Pretty happy with the result. I also checked it on speakers and it sounds very clean. It's made on the headphones, of course. And this time we're trying out to use the camera as well. Let me know if you prefer that or not. I think it's not a bad idea. Why not? It doesn't take up a lot of space over there. So we need an intro of some sorts. And for this we need several things. So first of all, we have this FX channel already set up. If you do not have this channel yet, then set it up right now. And then we go to one of our many FX libraries. Vengeance has a lot of good ones, and you can really go crazy here. I mean, just starting to load in several samples. That's also cool. Why not? So don't be too choosy. Let's see. And a sweep down. Yeah, why not? So this channel, we should definitely decrease the volume. I set it to -11 now. I have to take...